Okay, so air receivers in an industrial situation, here there is always a fluctuation in the consumption of compressed air. So in an industry situation, there is always fluctuation means every time there is a less compressed air supply, fluctuation in the consumption of the compressed air. Up to you want to be punctual, 5 kg, 5 kg, then you have to do some provision. Otherwise, machine there will be problem. So that's why we require the storage of this air. A receiver or air accumulator or a storage of tank serve the purpose of maintaining the constant supply of the compressed air. So constant 5 kg air you need to provide a air receiver, some big tank. Guys, so there is the main reason behind this. Pressure, this is a compressor. From the compressor, the air is getting compressed and stored in the big tank is called a air receiver. Teka my pressure gauge asta, temperature gauge asta, pressure relief valve asta, चढ झाला virus pump asta, shut off valve asta ना, drain plug भी असते. केंगा त्या उधर चिंगा down and we can drain it. The receiver also helps to stabilizing the pressure and avoid the frequent on-off of the compressor. The receiver is pressure vessel which should also be periodically inspected for any leakage. We should always inspect it for leakage. It should be subjected to periodical test by competent authority. And I think it's very easy to understand what is the receiver. Next, the component of this pneumatic system is called conductors. What are the conductors? Okay. Why these conductors are used? See, the fluid conductors are used in an air distribution system to carry the compressed air from the reservoir to the actuator. Now, these conductors are used from the carry the air from the reservoir, means receiving tank to the actuator. Okay. System to carry the compressed air from the reservoir to the actuator and then take it to the atmosphere. And it's will be that one. But what do you mean by conductor receive? After performing the intended work. So काम डाल के बाहर रखो. So the selection of the conductor should be depending on the condition under which the pneumatic equipment to be used. So conductor selected where this system is used. Yeah, I think it's a time pass button. Then the fluid. Okay. The fluid conductor are generally divided into 3 classes. Now, fluid conductor just we require conductor. No? Conductor means nothing but all parts. From receiver to where you want to take it to your control valve or actuator on the cylinder thing work. Pipe conductor. They are in the three generally divided in 3 classes. Pipes, all common rigid. Rigid means pipes. A rigid makes a fixed pipeline banta per fabricated pipeline. They come rigid. They all come under rigid pipe. Then tubing, rigid or semi-rigid. Tubing asta hai. We blue color piping. They are come under this. There are some semi also. And hose flexible. Flexible hose भी असते. थोड़े tubing असते हैं flexible hose भी असते. Now you can see this blue color pipes here. And you can see this blue color fabricated pipes. So which is the rigid here? These are all these rigid pipelines, and these are the flexible ones. More than one type of conductor may be used in the same installation. The proper selection and installation of the conductor are vital in the efficient operation of the system. The choice of conductor is decided by considering the following requirements. So, as per the requirement, they are decided whether it is going to be a fabricated line or flexible. If we want to bring the compressor from utility to the plant, we cannot go for this type of tubing. We have to go for the fabricated pipeline. By that, after pipeline, you put a header, then you put a fitting, then you can apply the hose pipes. Okay. The choice of the conductor decided by considering the following requirement. permissible pressure drops, leak-proof operation, resistance to corrosion, cost of pipes per meter run, flexibility of future expansion, installation and maintenance cost. These all things you have to consider. Okay, because the cost is also very high. That is also will reduce labor cost. बाकी सर्वर को decide. Now up to here it will be clear pneumatic system, compressor, dryer, conductors. Now see what are the fittings. What are the different fittings are used in the pneumatic system. The pneumatic fittings is a device which facilitates quick, easy, leak-proof joint between pneumatic components like valves, actuator, and pipes. Also between two pipes. This use all fitting. For example, piping fitting the elbow and elbow 45 to 90 degree, T, cross, reducer, cap. So here also we require some pneumatic fittings which has to be used. Types of fitting. The fittings are available two types. One type is combination of threaded and quick fitting end, which are used in the connect the pneumatic components and tube. So एक दोन मशीन असतात एक टाइप फिटिंग बघितले एक साइड थ्रेडेड आता एक साइड क्विक रिलीज असतं म्हणजे आता आमच्या इथे लायले आहे एक साइड थ्रेड असतात माहिती ब्लू कलर असतं पण ते काम चिपून घालतात पण दॅट इज क्विक रिलीज ओके दिस आर टाइप देन सपोज ते थिंग नसलेलं हे आहे तुमचं असे एक्सप्लेन केलं पण काय करणार that's why that I kept that in the road. Even though he supplies not that much of quality, but I kept it because there will be too much time. So can so at least 70% at least we can get another road. Other types is having both quick fittings and used to connect the two or more. Suppose there are two pipes are getting connected here. There's no threaded. Both sides quick coupling. Seconds. Quick fitting ends. So these are the ear pipe, you can use that. Types of fittings and their application. So before going, how many types of fittings are there in application? You just watch this video.
Types of pipe fittings. Used to connect two tubes at a right angle.
This is the elbow.
Used to connect three tubes.
This is the same pipe in the water pipeline, whatever we use.
Used to connect three tubes.
Y connectors.
Used to connect two tubes on straight line.
Okay, these are the common fittings which are available. So union elbow used to connect two tubes at the right angles, means 90-degree elbow it is. But here we can use a flexible. T used to connect three tubes, 1, 2, 3. Y connector used to connect three tubes again. And straight union connect the two tubes on a straight line. Now, what do you mean by FRL? Okay. What is the expansion of FRL? Filter, regulator,